Hello everyone, welcome to this video lesson. In this video lesson, we are solving a problem from a chapter ray optics and the specific topic small angled prisms. The problem is like this. What is the ratio of deviation produced by a thin angled prism when it is first surrounded by air and then it is surrounded by water? We know the deviation produced by a prism for a small angled prism is A of refractive index of the prism minus 1. Now there are two cases. When the prism is surrounded by air, I can write deviation in air as angle of the prism, refractive index of the prism material surrounded by air minus 1. Then when it is surrounded by water, deviation produced by the prism, in this case angle of the prism remains same, refractive index of the prism but surrounded by water has to be written. Now we need to know deviation produced in the case of air medium with respect to water medium. So A of refractive index of the prism with respect to air minus 1 by A of refractive index of the prism with respect to the water minus 1. So A and A will cancel. Let us assume that refractive index of the prism is made up of the glass is given as 3 by 2. Let us take it like a part of the given data itself. Then refract deviation in the air by deviation in the water is refractive index of the prism by refractive index of the air minus 1 by refractive index of the prism with respect to the water means by refractive index of the water minus 1. That implies deviation in air by deviation in water is prism refractive index is 3 by 2, air is 1. Again prism is 3 by 2, but water has a standard refractive index of 4 by 3 minus 1. So simplifying this further, deviation in air by deviation in water is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 9 by 8 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 is half. 9 by 8 minus 1 is nothing but equal to 1 by 8. That is 8 by 2. That is 4:1. That means deviation produced by the same prism when it is first surrounded by air and then when it is surrounded by the water for a given light ray is 4:1. That's it. Thank you for watching. Keep coming back for more and more video lessons.